Today we will show you how Connecteam works for education businesses. Let's quickly discuss what we will be going over in today's demo. We will start with a quick orientation and understanding of how Connecteam works. Then we will go over our operational features. We will start with our job schedule, where you'll be able to tell your employees exactly when and where they will be working. We'll continue with our time clock, where you'll be able to track your employees' hours in order to conduct payroll. Then we will go over our forms feature, which is a great way for you to collect and document information from your staff. Finally, we will finish with some knowledge-based features and also our communication features, so let's dive in. Let's start with what we are seeing now on our screen. This will be your admin dashboard, which you'll be able to access from any web browser. The second view that we will see is the Connecteam mobile app, which will show you your employees' view from their personal phones. We will start with your admin dashboard. On your admin dashboard, you will be able to customize exactly how this software is going to be viewed for your company. For example, here on the left sidebar, you'll be able to edit the names and even the icons of the features in order for it to speak your own company language. And this way, your employee will feel that the app was built especially for them. Let's move over to the employees view on their mobile app. So, the first view that your employees will see on their mobile app is their newsfeed. This is where they will see any operational or motivational announcements or any updates you post for them. On the top of their newsfeed, they'll have some quick actions, which will navigate them straight to different features within the app. They will also be able to reach the other features right here in the Assets tab at the bottom of their screen. So let's talk about our job schedule. The job schedule's purpose is to easily and quickly create all of your shifts and distribute them to your staff in a click of a button. As you can see, it is a pretty straightforward calendar view. At the top you will see the dates, and on the left-hand side you will see the list of all of your employees, and the blocks in the middle will be the different shifts assigned to them. As you can see, the jobs are also color-coded in order to help you differentiate between each one in an easy and well-organized way. On top of that, you are also able to see your employees' availability and their preferred time to work. So when you create your schedule, you will know exactly when you should or shouldn't assign your employees to different shifts. When we want to create a shift, all we need to do is hover over that teacher's name, press the plus button, and add any details we want in the shift. So we can decide which hours they are going to be working, we can add a shift title, select the job, type in any additional notes we want the teacher to know, and we can also have it as a recurring shift. So we can decide we want the shift to be weekly on Friday and Saturday. Then all we need to do is publish it. As you can see, that shift was populated in one click of the button. In addition, we can also use our shift templates that we have created and easily just drag and drop to the relevant teacher. And all we need to do is publish that. That's it, you're good to go. Let's see how your employees will view the job schedule on their mobile app. Your employees can simply access their mobile app and the schedule right here on the job schedule feature at any given time. They can go to each one of those shifts and view the details of each one of them. So they will be able to see the location of the job. They can click on the map and it will navigate them straight to the location via Google Maps. They can also see the hours and the date of the job, exactly what type of job they are going to be doing, and any notes their manager has left for them for the job. In addition, you can have an accept and reject button, which will be another layer of verification for you as an admin that your teacher has received all the information regarding the shifts and has accepted it. Of course, you can activate or deactivate the accept reject button according to your preference. Let's go back to the admin dashboard and see how your schedule can look similar to this one. First of all, here on the top, you can list all of your jobs according to your needs. So you can put here teacher, history teacher, math teacher, principal, or any other job according to your needs. In addition, your schedule can be viewed not only by users, but also by jobs. This way you can make sure that all of your jobs are populated with the right employees. Another option is to create an open shift, which means that when you create a regular shift, you will not assign it to someone specific. Rather, you will mark it as available to claim. And now each one of your qualified employees to this job will receive a notification that there is a new shift to claim, and they will be able to simply view the details of the job and decide for themselves if they want to do the shift. You can also require admin approval for you to be able to choose out of all of your employees who listed themselves to claim the shift, who will be the ones to actually receive it. We can see that creating your schedule is easy and efficient and will save you as a manager a lot of time. Clocking into a shift by one of your teachers is super easy. As you can see at the bottom of their shift details, all they have to do is open their time clock and click the big start button. On their personal feed, they will be able to see that they are clocked in to what shift and that their time is running. Let's have a look at your view as the admin on your admin dashboard. First, in order to access your time clock, all you have to do is go to the left of your sidebar, choose time clock, access it, and the first view that you will see is the Today view. Here you will be able to see the list of your employees and exactly who is clocked into a shift. In addition, when you scroll to the bottom, you'll be able to see exactly where your employees were when they clocked in. Another capability that we provide is called geofencing. This means that your employees will be able to clock in and out only when they are physically at the job location. When you want to conduct payroll, all you have to do is switch from the Today tab to the Timesheets tab. Here you will see the calculation of the total hours, including absences, breaks, overtime, according to the settings you set up. You can go to each one of your employees and see the full breakdown of their shifts in the date range that you selected. As an admin, of course, you can edit anything in the timesheets. If you have any questions for your employee regarding the timesheets, you can simply click on the chat bubble here on the top right and communicate with them directly. Once you are done reviewing the timesheets, you can simply go ahead and export it to the format that you prefer, or even integrate it with the payroll software that you are using. When you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you will be able to see the job insights. Here you will see exactly how your resources are being allocated in the date range that you selected. As a manager, you can always go to your mobile app and view this information while you're on the go. Here on the bottom right, you will see your admin tab. Go into the time clock, and here you can see the Today view, where you can see exactly when your employees clocked in and even where. In addition, you can go to your Timesheets tab and view your staff's timesheets according to the date range that you select. Our Forms feature was meant for managers to be able to collect information from any of your teachers by filling out anything from the job location or from any other place straight from their mobile app. Let's see how it works. Each one of your teachers will have the Forms feature in their Assets tab. Here you can see the list of all of the forms assigned to this employee, and he can easily go ahead and submit each one of them, whether it's a student report, a class report, or any other form that you will create for them. As you can see, you can add different information like the name of a student, the date, any other important questions, and you can even add a signature. We can also go into the class report and again fill in any incidents that happened, any other special notes that we would need to know about. And then we would just send it in. Now, when submitting these forms, you as an admin will receive a push notification to your phone in real time for every submission. Let's see the admin view of these submissions. When viewing a form, you can scroll down and see all of the statistics of who submitted this specific form. Now, when we go into those entries, we can see exactly how many were sent in. But most importantly, as an admin, you can view each one of your employees' submissions. You can see exactly what they sent in. And you are able to manage those entries by commenting on them or even changing the status. Now, when we go back to the entries, we can also scroll to the right. And in this table view, you'll be able to see all of the information. Creating these forms is super easy. All you have to do is go to the Add New button, then either select one of our pre-made templates or quickly create a new one from scratch. Here on the left, you will select what information you want your teachers to fill in. And here on the right, you will have a mobile preview so you can see what will show up for your employees. Connecteam also offers knowledge and training capabilities in order to keep your employees as professional as possible. Let's look at a few examples by going to the Assets tab and simply scroll down to the Knowledge section. Here in the library, you will be able to add information such as your company policies you would want your team to be aware of, payments and benefits, employment policies, or even create a whole information center regarding anything you would like. For example, student and faculty dress code. In addition, you are even able to create a digital course center for your employees and have them go through different courses that you create. For example, let's take a look at this teacher onboarding course. As you can see, you can add a nice welcome page. Then move forward to any video they will have to watch. Or any document. And even a form that they need to fill out. For you as a manager, on your admin dashboard, you are going to have all of the statistics regarding your employees' progress in the courses you've created for them. And this way you can understand exactly how many of your teachers are in progress, completed, or even haven't started yet. Connecteam also provides you with all of the tools in order for you to communicate with all of your employees in an efficient way no matter where they are. Each one of your staff members will be able to communicate with one another very easily. All they have to do is go into their directory, which is your company's digital phone book. As you can see, you don't need to add any more context to your personal phone. You can have all of your contacts information right here in the directory. In addition, you can even add external work contacts for your employees. If it's any suppliers or any other contacts you would want them to have access to. You will also have your very own internal chat, which has one-on-one chats, group chats, and you can send all kinds of media in it, such as videos, images, GIFs, audio notes, and more. The main difference with the Connecteam chat is that it will only be an organizational chat, which will give you that work-life separation. In addition, you as the admin will have full control over everything that is going on in your chat, whether it's by you being able to manage all of the teams and channels, and also by setting different settings and permissions to the employees on the chat. Lastly, in terms of communication, each one of your teachers will have their own personalized newsfeed. This is where they will be able to see all of the announcements, whether it's an operational announcement, motivational, or any other important update you want to publish to them. The most important thing for you as a manager is that these updates are also trackable. So when you go to your admin dashboard, you will see the full statistics regarding each one of the updates, and you will see who has viewed or hasn't viewed your update. You will also be able to filter your employees who did not view, select them, and simply notify everyone in one click. This way, you can be sure that everyone is aligned with the information you are sending them. As you saw in today's demo, Connecteam is the ultimate all-in-one solution for your education business that can be customized to your needs.